Hi guys, we're back and we're doing another craft, and the craft is a DIY bracelet. I love this craft. It is cute and it is fun. So I hope you enjoy this fun, cute craft. What you will need to make your bracelet is a piece of paper, tape, scissors, markers. I have only 2 colors because I'm going to be using 2 colors for my bracelet, but you can use as many colors as you want or any colors in any colors. And then I have a half a pencil, but you need a pencil, and you need a ruler. So the first step is to take your paper, your pencil, and your ruler, and all you need to do is draw a straight line for one side of the bracelet, and then another straight line for the other side of the bracelet. And your bracelet can be as thin or as thick as you want. Mine's in between, mine's in the middle. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. This one's a little bit thinner though. And so the next step you need to do is color it. The funnest step. I don't think that's a word, but I think it's the most fun step. It's okay if you color a little bit outside the lines because you have to tape it and cut it out. So you'll cut off all the stuff you didn't put in the lines, the sides of your bracelet. And then you can also make like anklets or like maybe a necklace if you did it big enough to fit over your head. And then, so yeah, you could do an anklet, a bracelet, a necklace. And then you can make many of these and like put them on. And yeah, this is very cute. And I'm going to wear it to my school tomorrow. To school tomorrow. Okay, so I finished coloring my bracelet. And it's just like this bracelet. Instead, the circles are blue and the background is pink, in purplish pink. I don't know what this is called. Color this is, it's like a purplish pink. I'd say more pink than purple. But anyway, so that is my bracelet. And then for extra protection, this is a little bit hard to explain, so I'm just gonna show you. You're gonna take your tape and put it on one end, and then measure it, basically. Not measure it, but see, just drag it across until it reaches the end of your paper. And then, this is stuck, okay, and then you have to cut the tape off. I find it easier just to use scissors, but you can use the actual tape thing. So, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess on the sides. And then I'm gonna cut it out, and I'm gonna cut it out right on the lines. And so I'm gonna cut it out right on the lines. And it's okay if you get it a little bit outside the lines because you can cut it all off. And then your bracelet is cut out. And then the next step is to measure it. I'm making this one for my grandma. I don't know what size of wrist she has, but I'm just gonna measure it with my wrist. So she's an adult. So what should I think I'm gonna cut off just a tiny bit. Like that much. I only cut off that much, so not a lot, but just a little bit. And then the next step is to take another piece of tape put it on one end, just like that, and then take the other end and tape it like that, and then cut off the excess. So yeah, this is that. This is the craft. I think this is so cute. So this is my bracelet. And then mine I cut a little bit short. So also what you can do is you can find where you put it together. And then you can take it off, put it on your wrist, and tape it back on like that. That's a little bit hard, but I think you can do it. And then that's basically the craft. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please like that like button, click that like button and click the subscriber button so you can see more videos. Thank you for watching this craft, and I hope you liked it. Bye!